friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Dia & Co box today, and it's a really tall box. Like, I think the other one was too. It's like really tall. So, let's get into it. We're going to open her up with our trusty, rusty screwdriver. Here we go. If you haven't tried Dia & Co before and you'd like to, there's a description down below. They send you 5 items. It is for like sizes, I think 10 to 32. Yeah, so if you want to try it, there's a description below about it. And there's a referral link. I think you might get $10 towards your first box, $25. It's all below. I can't remember. You know, I do like 4 different boxes now, I think, and I just can't remember. The only one I know absolutely is Stitch Fix, so, but it's all below. All right, here we go. How's everyone's day? Going good? I hope so. All right, hi Rachel. Let's kick this box off with a little reminder that you have I have $5 worth of loyalty points that I can use off of my purchase. I had to get that off my chest because who doesn't love a little savings? Now on to the main attraction. It's great to see you checking out our shop page this time around and picking up this trendy silver jumpsuit. I did. You can pick some of the things that you want in your box, like they have like a whole shop thing. I was able to find 2 different layering pieces for you to try with it. The mixed pattern cardigan is straight from your wish list, while the cardigan jacket is a super soft material that's perfect to help you finish out the winter season. Style either the navy slacks, they don't know I don't like navy yet. Style either the navy slacks or the skirt with the chenille sweater for a more casual look during the week. If you have a moment, head on over to your profile and add more info. Knowing more about your fit, color, and style preferences will help me to learn more about your likes and dislikes. Navy. I want to send looks that you will love. Thanks so much. Best wishes, Jennifer. Thanks, Jennifer. We'll go over the invoice at the end. So here we go. They send you the mailer to send back the things you don't want to keep. This is a thick bundle. I'm going to tip her over. And everything fell out. Everything fell out. Hang on. Yeah, the jumpsuit I picked is real slippery, so I don't even know if I can hold the bundle up. So we're just gonna, I'll try. Hey! There we go! It was really heavy as well. All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They sent me 6 things. They're supposed to send 5, but they've been almost like sending 6 kick, maybe to get rid of inventory. Well, here is the silver jumpsuit that I thought I'd try. Do I have lipstick on my teeth? Just a little. Look at her. No pockets. That's a bummer. But look at her. Look at her. Look at her. She's so shiny. Okay. She's very shiny and very blurry. There we go. And this is a Molly and Isadora cardigan. Got animal print on the top and then stripes. I think it's cute. I don't remember liking it, requesting it, but hey, sure. The only thing I don't like is maybe possibly this part here. I'd like it if it went straight down instead, but it's very, very soft. Here's the Chenille Sweater. I'm not a big fan of Chenille. I like it as a name, but who knows, it might be cute. It's very, very soft. It's a light, light blue. It looks great on the camera. It's very soft. It does have really cute kind of like knit pattern on it, stitching, whatever. So we'll try it. And then we have, this is not how it looked on the app. It did not have this pink band here. It was all black on the app. I swear. So, I don't know. I'm a little miffed about that, to be honest. But, look how cute. It's cute shape. Cute shape. You can't see, but it's like bubblegum pink. There we go. I swear it wasn't. I'm going to pull up the app right now and see if it'll show me. Hang on. Okay, well on the app it is showing pink, but it was not, because I picked that out a few weeks ago. That's fine. Okay. I'll still try it. Okay, well these are kind of cute. These are the navy pants. They have a zipper. They have kind of zippers on the legs. There's the pant bottom, also has a zipper. They're kind of cute for navy. We'll see. We'll see if they fit. I don't know. Okay, and then did I pick those pants? I might have picked those pants. Alright, and now we have almost like another Cardigan kind of thing. Oh, it has a hood, so I'm not really a fan of hoods. But I do really like this pattern. It is kind of similar to the one I just kept from them. So, we'll see. But it is very soft. Does it have pockets? Yes, it has pockets. Okay. Alright. That's a lot of things. That's why it was so heavy. So, okay, let's try everything on. The skirt has pockets. I wish this was black. Ugh. But it's really cute. I think the pleating's really cute if you can see. I know it's hard because it's black. Let me angle down. We'll angle you down. Real time. Alright, here we go. I think it's a perfect length. I wish, could I tuck it in? I think it's kind of cute. It has like the seaming that goes like this. And pleats and pockets. Here's the back. Oh, can I tuck it in? Real time. Oh my god. Guys, watch me struggle. That's fine. Real time. Okay. 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 I tucked it in. I tucked it in. It is so cute. You can still see that little bit of pink, just a teeny bit, but I think that's okay. It's still a great length. I don't really have any shorter skirts like this length. All my ones are like midi skirts. I think I like it tucked in. I like the pockets. I like the pleats. Okay, okay. All right. I think it's good tucked in. I'm so far away. The proportions are horrible. Okay, let's try on something else. Here's the pants. I think they're really cute. They did just kind of slide right on. These are 14W. I have been losing weight, so it's kind of hard with pants right now. But I think they fit well. But if I keep going how I'm going, I don't think they'll fit well in another couple months. But I think they're really cute. So maybe something to keep in mind for later. I don't mind the navy in a pant it's turning out. I think it's kind of cute. Oh, it's just hard. I like the zipper. These are zipper pockets too. They actually work. Keep your Reese's in there or carrot sticks as my life's going. I think they're really cute. I'm really into tucking my shirts in lately into pants, and I think that's nice. Okay, let's try on the chenille top with these pants, I guess. Well, it is really soft and cute and cozy, but it has a hole in it right there. So that's not good. That's not good. That's damaged goods. But ignoring that, it is very soft, very cozy. If I would have got this earlier in the winter, I would probably wear this all the time. It's super soft. Like my issue with chenille is that it usually can look kind of bulky, so this one's not. It's pretty streamlined, and I think with how the knitting goes, it's kind of not bulky. More slimming. Is chenille ever slimming? I don't know, but it's not bulky. That's my point. Okay, let's try on the jumpsuit. Gosh, I wish this had pockets. Look at the jumpsuit. Okay, I gotta pan you down. It's not bad. It's not bad. It just kind of looks like, until my legs are apart. It just kind of looks like a dress, doesn't it? It's kind of cute. Am I gonna keep it? No, because like when would I wear this? Once a year? But I wanted to try it. I wanted to try something different. The length of the jumpsuit is really nice too. God, I wish it had pockets. See the length? Look at that. Look at that length. I like how it bunches here. I think that's nice and flowy and drapey. Do I kind of wish? No, it doesn't have to be a V-neck. I was thinking maybe it'd be better as a V-neck, but I think it's nice how it is. It's stretchy, it's soft, it's not itchy, being that metallic material. It's kind of fun. If you guys do Dia & Co. and you need something for like, I don't know, a wedding, I don't know. This is kind of fun. Okay, let's try on the two cardigans. Here's the first cardigan. Has pockets. This is what I think I said was gonna bug me, is this right here. It's kind of like the classic, like a button cardigan collar. Cardigan collar. But since this one doesn't button and it just hangs down, I think it should be like that. So this one I think is not for me, but that's okay. It's all right. It's fine. You know, it can't be for everyone. Then everyone would have it. And then we'll try on this one with the hood. Hoods are fine. Don't get me wrong. I feel weighed down by them, you know. Here is this one. It's a 2-for-1. It's a 2-for-1 clip. Okay. Here's the hood. Oh, static. Oh, it's very staticky. It's cute though. It is cute. It has pockets. This one is definitely heavier than that. It's got like faux fur. Rhymes with chauffeur. But it's like for sure faux fur on there. So, I don't know. I do know I don't want it. Oh, the static. Oh, the static. Alright, it's cute. It's more of like a coat again, kind of like the one I kept. So, it's alright. Alright, okay, I think the winner might be the skirt because when I folded it, I liked it. Let's go over prices. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. Here we go. Alright. Dun 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 dun! Okay, the Love Token Irma Open Cardigan Jacket in black camel, which was the white and striped one with the animal print, $79. The by T. Tahari Ashley long sleeve chenille sweater in light gray, $29. It has a hole in it. Molly Isadora Nora Jacquard cardigan in tan black, $59. Sizes, by the way, the cardigan jacket, animal print one's 0X, the Ashley long sleeve chenille sweater 1X, the other one 1X. See Rose Go, the cheeky skirt in black pink, size 1X, $20. Must be having a sale. $20. My phone's ringing. $20. Hang on. Okay, I don't remember where I left off. That was my husband, and he went on and on purpose. Okay. The skirt was $20, size 1X. Mary Sky Posy zipper pant in navy, size 14, $59. And the East Adeline Davina jumpsuit, silver, size 0X, $39. Again, probably on sale. That was probably like a New Year's Eve kind of look, or like holiday kind of jumpsuit. So merchandise total, $285, minus my styling fee of $20. Hey, I'm gonna keep the skirt because I already paid $20 for this box, so it's just gonna go right towards it. If you buy everything, there's a discount of 25% off. So $193.75 for the whole box. Not a bad box. Not a bad box. I'm gonna keep the skirt. That's my styling fee, dude. I'm excited. Since I rolled it over, and I mean, it was fine with the pink too. Maybe if I were wearing like a black top, or even it was okay with this top. But I preferred it rolled over. Okay, if you want to try Dia & Co, I'll leave my referral link down below. And yeah, check it out. It's kind of neat. I like it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.